That's a small waterfall. It doesn't look it's getting bigger. But it began differently. Almost every time it's different. It began in a cave, inside, dripping. And I came out yesterday evening to see if there is anything outside, and it wasn't. So it makes the source of it even more mysterious. And some of people who live nearby here, I talked to them, so they don't know either where it comes from. And here is nothing. Usually it has big overflow from pond. Pond is full, but it's not overflowing so much that it would came to a walkway here. That is inside the pond wall. There is a pipe, overflow pipe. Who haven't seen the construction video, how I built it. There we go. There is a pipe inside. So we'll see, when I come back later, it may have been stopped already. By now the small waterfall has almost stopped, but as it was so short, by my experience it means that it may restart tomorrow again, to have more water coming. In any case, I already mentioned last year in a video that up there is an abandoned terrain and abandoned building which has been burned down after a big fire here some 7-8 years ago. And it means nobody can access that. Technically it's possible to jump a fence and see where the water is coming from, but I wouldn't do that as it doesn't bother me so much. So some of water, especially in a dry time like now, it's great for a garden. You only need to waterproof the cave inside. Then I'll be happy. Anyway, let me try a chance if I can see a frog here. No. Frog has learned to be very discreet now. I haven't seen it for quite a while. Directly only heard jumping into the pond. So it's great. Yeah, sometimes I've seen birds flying in and coming to drink your water, so I hope that the frog is safe here, if birds don't eat the frogs. We'll see. So far it's terribly hot outside. It's not even so hot than it is in Paris sometimes. I still look at the weather in Paris as I live there for quite a few years. But the point is that here it's humid, so humidity makes it feel hotter. So, in any case, the waterfall is over and I'll be keeping working on my projects.